We're here to help you live a more sustainable life without the overwhelm. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, reusable containers. Are you tired of plastic waste piling up in your kitchen? From square to round, big to small, there's a perfect glass container for every type of food. The options are endless. Here at the Zero Waste Club, we love the Anchor Glass line of food storage. Silicone bags are flexible and made to replace Ziploc bags. Instead of throwing it away, why not save it and use it for future leftovers? Or consider glass jars. This can be a dedicated drawer or shelf where you keep all your reusable containers in one spot. What are your favorite reusable containers or hacks you've tried? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. It's the ultimate solution to always having a reusable option ready to go. But remember, the key is to keep it simple. Start with a few reusable items and gradually build from there. Don't feel pressured to replace every single plastic container right away. Every step you take towards reducing waste is a step in the right direction. So whether it is replacing one plastic bag with a reusable one or swapping out glass containers for plastic, every change counts. Peanut butter, jam, and pickle jars are great for storing dry goods. With a little creativity and cleaning, you can transform these everyday items into useful storage solutions. And remember, creativity is key. Use labels and get creative with your storage containers. Having a system makes it easier to find what you need. They're freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and come in various sizes. Not only are silicone bags better for the environment, but they're also safer than plastic bags. They won't leach harmful chemicals into your food, even when it's hot. They're easy to use and clean. Simply wash them with soap and water or pop them in the dishwasher. They're also easy to store. When empty, they roll up or nestle inside each other, saving valuable space in your kitchen. They're extremely versatile, suitable for freezing liquids and solids, and can be used as a cooking pouch. Additionally, they're built to last, saving you money in the long run compared to buying disposable plastic bags. To use them, simply fill the bag with your food, seal it tightly by squeezing out the air and twisting the top. You can boil them, bake them, freeze them, microwave them, and they're all dishwasher safe too. To clean them, just rinse with soap and water or put them in the dishwasher. If you're seeking a sustainable alternative to plastic wrap, beeswax wraps and reusable fabric covers might be your solution. These natural and practical alternatives offer an excellent way to cover your bowls or wrap your food while keeping it fresh and reducing waste. Beeswax wraps are made from cotton fabric coated with beeswax, making them naturally sticky. At room temperature, this stickiness allows them to adhere to surfaces, making them perfect for covering bowls or wrapping half an avocado. On the other hand, reusable fabric covers are usually made from cotton or hemp and secured with rubber bands or drawstrings. These covers are ideal for larger bowls and containers. To use beeswax wraps, simply mold the wrap around your food or container, pressing gently to activate the stickiness. Fabric covers, on the other hand, are placed directly over the container and secured in place. Both options are washable and reusable, making them an eco-friendly choice, which comes in multiple sizes and features a leak-proof silicone lid. For dry goods storage, we recommend these recycled glass jars. They come in 3 sizes with airtight lids to keep your food fresh. But if you're looking for something truly versatile, Anchor also has these glass containers with airtight lids that are excellent for both dry goods and meal prep. Now, if you don't want to buy a brand new set of glass containers, you can always use reused jars. Repurposing jars from pasta sauces or other foods is an excellent way to reduce waste. Just make sure to wash them thoroughly before use. In this video, we're diving into the best reusable containers to help you ditch plastic for good. These eco-friendly swaps are not only stylish but durable, safe, and planet-friendly. So let's get started. Okay, first up, glass containers. Glass is a fantastic material for food storage because it's non-reactive. It won't leach chemicals into your food no matter what you're storing. And unlike plastic, it's also endlessly recyclable. Stainless steel is a durable, long-lasting material that won't break or crack like plastic containers often do. They're lightweight, making them easy to carry around, and they won't leach harmful chemicals into your food, especially when heated, unlike some plastics. They're also great for reheating leftovers in the microwave. Stainless steel containers are available in a range of sizes and designs. There are many options available for storing leftovers or packing lunch. These include stainless steel meal prep containers, bento boxes, and tiffin lunchboxes. Tiffins are particularly popular in India, where they've been used for centuries. Stainless steel is hygienic. It doesn't absorb odors or stains easily, and it can be washed and sterilized in the dishwasher. This makes them a great choice for families or individuals who need to pack lunches for school or work. Additionally, many stainless steel containers are insulated, keeping food cool or warm for several hours, which is very convenient for those who need to carry their lunch long distances. Finally, stainless steel is a sustainable choice. It is a durable material that can be reused over and over again without breaking or leaching harmful chemicals. This makes them a great alternative to single-use plastic containers. Some of our top picks for stainless steel containers include the Sistema clip-top container with its airtight seal or the Lunchbox Bento. Both are fantastic choices for your next stainless steel container. Plus, it's microwave safe. You can take it straight from the fridge to the microwave without any issues. And it's super easy to clean. Most glass containers are dishwasher safe, making them a breeze to keep clean. Glass containers come in a variety of shapes and sizes, offering flexibility for different needs. Another great option is stainless steel containers. If you prefer something reusable to disposable plastic bags, check out Silicone food storage bags. And let's not forget about reused takeout containers. It's common for restaurants to give you a free box when you order takeout. Now, if you're looking to completely revamp your storage game, you can create your own DIY container station. I hope this video gave you some great ideas to reduce plastic waste in your kitchen.